Hey Facebook friends, it's Southbound. We're going to do this Proud Mary, try to get under 2 minutes. Left a good job in the city, working for the men every night and day, but I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worried about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of tang down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on a riverboat queen. Big wheels keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. If you go down to the river, bet you're gonna find some people who live. You don't have to worry if you got no money, people on the river are happy to give. Big wheels keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning, rolling,